How do dodge wheel spacers work? Dodge wheel spacers can be installed as aftermarket parts. The high-quality dodge wheel spacers can help the vehicle with more modifications and upgrades, including the brake system upgrades, aftermarket wheel adaptation, cosmetic changes, better handling, and more. Dodge wheel spacers offer easy and quick wheel position adjustment, allowing the wheels to be moved outward to the specific position, usually first with the fenders, while ensuring the structural safety of the vehicle. The length of the vehicle will be fuller, giving it aggressive and track-filled appearance. Using dodge wheel spacers allow you to safely fit wider tires on your existing wheels, or upgrade to bigger wheels without rubbing against the frame. We have assembly or other suspension components, improving traction and handling even more. If you're looking to upgrade the wheels with good dodge wheel spacer, then look no further than BONOSS. BONOSS manufactures a huge range of dodge wheel spacers to fit the massive variety of different wheels and applications. Designed by professional mechanical engineers, these are made in an independent factory to the highest security and are full of more than 66 HGS and TV test reports. BONOSS also offers a choice of wheel spacer size from 50mm to 50mm. BONOSS dodge wheel spacers are all forged. The manufacturing process of forging made the internal structure of the spacer denser and firmer. Meanwhile, the material used is aluminum alloy, and it has many outstanding characteristics, such as high strength, wear resistance, excellent toughness, impact resistance, and high temperature resistance. This metal has good mechanical properties. Compared with industry standards, the sheet spacers that use low-quality material are not strong enough and will deform and endanger giant safety under strong impact. By contrast, BONOSS insists on producing professional dodge wheel spacers, which are far higher than the industry safety and professional standards. In addition, BONOSS forged active cooling dodge wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation screws to make brake cooling better. Distributed in petal shape, these screws allow the external cold air to flow completely inside the wheel spacer while it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actually dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches that distribute on the corner of the wheel spacers. These notches act as air collectors which tremendously enlarge the airflow, enhancing the heat distribution effect and improving the safety. Also, BONOSS forged active cooling dodge wheel spacers come with a 10-year warranty, which gives you peace of mind.
No AI was used in the creation of this video. All editing was done manually. See you in the next video.